welcome to the world of Tally technology. Before going into the details of Tally technology, let's have a brief introduction about Tally.ERP 9. Tally.ERP 9 is an ERP software used by many business organizations across the world. It takes care not only of accounting and inventory management, but also of manufacturing process management, payroll and statutory compliance, budgets and scenario management, point of sale, management information system, and audit. Thus, it can be rightly called as a complete business solution. Tally.ERP 9 is backed by a robust application development platform, which is also known as Tally Development Environment or TDE. It comprises of TDL is the proprietary language of Tally. The entire user interface of Tally.ERP 9 has been built using TDL. TDL makes possible easy solutionability of Tally.ERP 9 and takes care of all the technical aspects like integratability. Tally.Developer 9 is a product in itself which is used for the development of Tally.ERP 9. It is also acquired by the development partners to provide solutions on Tally.ERP 9. TD9 contains a lot of tools for the developer's aid. For example, Tally Connector and Dictionary Manager. An exhaustive set of sample programs and documents are available as reference for the developers. Email and call support make the development all the more easy. Using TDL, even the most complex requirements can be met with little effort. There is no need of vast technical knowledge for the TDL programmer. All the functionalities ranging from entries and reports to printing and export-import of data are dealt with single-handedly by a TDL program. Tally.ERP 9 is endowed with extensive integration capabilities in online as well as offline mode. The integration can be Tally to Tally, Tally to Web, or Tally to any other application or database. The various APIs used for integration are XML, ODBC, and DLL. Tally can behave both as a client and as a server depending on situation. The development platform is divided into three major layers. The platform layer is the lowermost layer which interacts with the OS and the file system. The database engine handles all the data retrieval and manipulation requests to the database. ODBC engine handles the ODBC calls from external applications to Tally. The language parser consists of various syntaxes and formulae which have been used to build the interpreter. Business logic takes care of validation techniques and checking of business rules. The function library provides a wide range of functions, each associated with a specific functionality. Managing multiple output types from Tally and rendering them based on the output environment is the responsibility of the output engine. All the memory requirements of the application are handled by the memory management. Above platform layer lies the TDL layer, which comprises of the TDL language consisting of interface objects and data objects, and the translator, technically known as interpreter layer. The TDL interpreter validates each line and throws an error message when an error is encountered in the TDL code. The topmost layer is the application layer. It is the user interface through which the end user interacts with the product. TDL is a domain-specific language designed specifically for developing business applications. Knowledge of TDL is all it takes to provide solutions on Tally. Most of the application development languages require the developer to know multiple technologies, but TDL handles all the functionalities itself. The customer does not have to go to other vendors for buying independent components, and hence there is no question of hidden costs involved. Being a fourth generation high-level language, TDL requires very few instructions to accomplish a task. TDL is a definition-based language. Each and every component of the program or that of the user interface is present in the form of definitions. Each definition is identified by a unique name. TDL is based on concepts pertaining to object-oriented programming. It is a non-procedural language as the sequence of actions is not in the control of the programmer. The programmer can only decide what happens when a particular event takes place. The sequence of actions depends on the user interaction. Procedural capabilities are incorporated by using the function definition. Tally.Developer 9 can be easily installed within seconds. The entire source code of Tally.ERP 9 is available along with TD9, which can be easily tweaked for customization purpose. Tally.Developer 9 is available as 3 versions. The education version is a free-of-cost version which can be used by the learners of TDL. In the evaluation version, the user also gets a free temporary subscription of 3 months, but is not entitled to avail the call support facility. The license version is available as a full year subscription. It empowers the developer to start providing solutions, and he gets access to round-the-ear call and email support. To make programming easy, color coding of various syntax components, tagging of code, and various other features have been provided. Error listing and diagnosis is done by the product. Validation, compilation, building, and execution of code can be done in a few simple steps. Authorization techniques prevent malpractice and minimize revenue leakage. Easy licensing and subscription processes provide a hassle-free experience to the TD9 user.